About halfway down. 2, 1, and hold your forward, 10 feet.
Clearance looks good.
On the ground. And disconnecting. Empty hooks coming up. You're clear, easy up.
Easy up.
Easy up, and you can pedal turn and
okay.
Come out.
Tail's clear on the right. Nose left, tail right.
Looks good. Hooks
How's the hook?
Hook's about 10 feet from the skid.
Sliding left.
1, and hold your forward, 10 feet. Hooks in hand. Connecting. Give me an easy back, 1. Taking the load, and 3, 2, 1. Load's off the ground, power check.
Good. Controllability's good.
Alright, she's on her way up. You can pedal turn if you'd like. You're clear of the terrain.
Trees are clear on the right. Easy up, clear?
Yeah, she's good. Come on up.
Okay, coming up.
At the skid. To the skid.
Good.
And she's inside.
And we're out of the yellow,
Yeah,
1 minute.
You're clear to for forward flight.
Clear for forward.